What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today I'm linking up with the homie Ryan. We're going to this audio shop. We're trying to get a new box. He's trying to get one, and I'm trying to get one. Not sure. I think he may have to get his custom made, but we'll get more into that once we get there. But I'm trying to get a box that's smaller but still has enough airspace so my system still sounds as good as it does now, but I can set up for other stuff in my trunk, and more on that later. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, car looking pretty good. I have some ideas. I think I'm changing the Fitted Squad banner to yellow, and I think I'm gonna change the brake colors to some type of yellow, because I'm thinking, because another set of wheels that I'm going with, once I get them done, I think it'll make it pop a lot more. It'll pop with the blue, don't get me wrong, but I got a few ideas. Probably said too much already, but trust the process. You'll see. You'll see. Got Kiwi with him. Looking good, looking good. Let me switch on over. Kiwi all excited. Alright, so we pulled up. As you saw, I met Ryan on the road on the way here. And yeah, that's clean. That's dope. A little dark was bumping pretty serious when we pulled up as well. But yeah, so got the measurements, already got the box selected. Going to be grabbing that and going with that. So not sure what I'm doing with this box just yet, but probably be able to just throw the other box in here, back here. So I'll show you guys the box here in a second. This is the one. Going with this. Gonna of course keep my Skar, but this is the box. It'll fit nicely from what we just measured. It's not as tall, which was the issue. So make sure you guys hit up Tim the Tint Man. There we go. Out here in Sanford. And look at this. Real clean. But the box is perfect. That is so clean. And look at these. Let's look at a bunch of different ones. I believe these are the ones that Ryan has. It's a pretty dope spot. Real clean. So yeah, might have to do a meet out here sometime. Alright, made it to Ryan's. About to get to work with the audio first, I believe. Get this big box out. Alright, so I don't remember what the last thing I recorded was, but we have worked on the underglow, so we got that closer. So no gap in the front and no gap in the back. And we switched the sub out, or the box out. Took that one out. And got that one. So definitely let me know what you guys think. Can't really see that, but there we go. Looking good. Looking real good. Alright, for the squad, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. It went from just kind of check to see if they had a box to getting it and having hooked up, so we are good. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'm glad we was able to get the underglow set up as well. Next thing in here is probably going to be more lights. I might do some more so it can fill out a little further. That or the bags might actually be next, so spoiler alert. But thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.